Introduction for the preview. Weekly horoscope preview for 1st November till 7th November. Who needs the full content of weekly horoscope? All those people who have important meetings, events, dates in this coming week, where you are making important decisions and choices. And those meetings are important for you in this coming week. And you got to know in this coming week, may I say that in preview, we share only one part. Conclusion part 1. Out of the 6 part of the whole, the premium content. And premium content have a 6 part like a transit. Transit will define you the environment of the week. That is transit. Conclusion part 1, part 2 will define your actions and conduct and your mannerism, action and reactions. Task for the premium content define you how to balance the astrological equation. Precaution will define you how to defend yourself. Chanting, how you can create a huge boost by yourself. These are the all content of the premium content, which you can achieve it through my website. Visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Go for the full weekly horoscope report, the premium content. Implement, because this is the applied weekly horoscope report. This is not a only prediction. This will define you. This is the environment. These will be your action reactions, and this is the scope. This is the chance you can change the equation if you want to, with the help of this task, with the help of this chanting, with the help of this, may I say that, precautions. You can implement it. This is a pure applied weekly horoscope report, but all depend on your choice. Libra weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 1st November till 7th November. Libra, this is the coming week for you. Mercury position in 12th house. You have to watch your vision and imagination. And sometimes imagination and achievements will not match. Sometimes dreams and desires won't match. Sometimes dreams and expectation won't match. You have to work it out and make sure you should face the realities. Rahu's position in 8th house. Sometimes destiny is lagging behind. Sometimes destiny and actions won't match. Ketu position 2nd house. Watch your flow of income, watch your debts. Jupiter Saturn position 4th house. You got to motivate yourself. You got to build up your drive. You got to improve your way of thinking. You got to be active, positive, active, creative, active, dynamic. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do to come out from taking biggest help, to come out from any ugly situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.